get it.
Yes, sure.
If you're occupied, it is better I'll do share the link of my thing. You can get all my practices also.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm good with writing also. Yeah, you can continue.
Sure. Yeah. This we are done with variables, data types, and type conversions too. Now we'll go for these conditional statements and loops. These are the, you feel like similar topics, but it differs. See, conditional statements, what they do, it filters whatever we want. If we are looking for a particular item, it filters and takes us there.
Yeah.
And while coming to the loop, it goes for each and every item which we give. Like we'll give some inputs to everything, right? So in that particular input, what this conditional statement does, it filters whatever we want. At the same time, the loop checks every item. Is this related to us? Is this related to us? Everything it will go, and then whatever the condition satisfies, then it will give us the output. So let me walk you through these conditional statements first. There are 3 conditional statements called if, else, elif.
Okay.
I hope you are comfortable with Telugu also meanwhile.
Yeah, you can speak in Telugu also. I'm good.
Yes. Yeah. What the condition says, if ante a particular ga satisfy aithe, that will give us the output. Ledu ante we do use else. Idi kaakapothe idi అన్నప్పుడు ఇది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. వాట్ ఎలిఫ్ డూస్, మనకి ఇప్పుడు if we do have multiple conditions, then we don't cut off every time if else no. So meanwhile elif అనే conditional statement we use చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. If we go through an example, you will get an easy idea. Let us see. ఇప్పుడు లైక్ 18 years ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎలిజిబుల్ ఫర్ ఓటింగ్, బిలో 18 నాట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ అని చెప్పేసి ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ప్రింట్. If you enter your age here, it will show either you are eligible or not eligible. See, if 18 years కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే eligible, లేదు అంటే we do use else statement, correct?
Yes.
Not eligible. So I'm giving my age like 10 here. Let's run and so it is showing us not eligible. So మనకి ఏం కావాలి ఇక్కడ 10 years అంటున్నాం. What is the condition here? మన ఏజ్ టేకెన్ ఇన్పుట్ అనేది 18 years కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. 18 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ప్రింట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ప్రింట్ చేయని మనం ఇన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇఫ్ నాట్, ప్రింట్ నాట్ ఎలిజిబుల్. కరెక్ట్? లెట్ us check with 25. Hope you are 25-year-old. I'm sorry, it's 125. See, it's printing like eligible.
So is this how you give the statement with single like that after greater than or equal to 18 you will get 2 dots you kept, right?
ఇది కండిషన్ అన్నమాట. ప్రతి కండిషనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ కి దిస్ colon is very important.
Okay.
It's like మనం ఒక కండిషన్ ఇస్తున్నామని like system should understand, no? So in that case we should use this colon.
Okay, every condition.
If you are not taken this colon, it will show us error.
Okay.
See, it's expected. It is showing here. So once after you get into your project also, while working on this platform, if you are done with a mistake, either that minor one or major one, it will show us, it will help us. See, it is showing us like your expected colon is missing. And ఈ particular line లో ఈ particular thing miss అవుతుందని it is explaining us. You are getting my point?
Yes, I'm getting your point. Yeah, I'm understanding.
Yes. Let us go with the multiple statements. See, for suppose I'm taking like student grades. For suppose a student got 98 marks. So in our school days, we do get grades like if we are getting like more than 90 or 80 to 90, we call it as A grade. Then 80 to 60, we call it as B grade. 60 to 40 as C grade, and then fail we consider no. Like the same thing, how the machine works with the conditions and all. How do we write that? We're gonna see that right now. See, first of all, I have taken input like my marks are 98. Every time I don't write this condition, I just give the marks as an input. For the first single time, we will write the code and leave it for the system. When we come and give the input, like multiple student get different marks. So వాళ్ళ marks different ga input చేస్తారు. Every time this should work out for us. So let us make the condition or the code for it. If it is greater than 90, the student should comes under A category. Correct?
Okay. Yes, yes.
That is what I have written here.
Yes. If it is greater than 90, it should be A. Yeah.
A grade. If it is greater than 60, in between like 60 to 89, it will consider. Correct?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
No, it's wrong. It will consider 60 to 90. Why?
60 to 90.
Because I have because I have taken greater than here. If we place the equal, it will consider till 89. Correct?
Yes.
The same way, if they are greater than 60, they will be considered in the B grade. If not under 60, it will go for the C grade. Correct?
Yes.
Let us take, I have got 45 marks.
It will be C.
C grade, yeah. If not, let us take 100.
It will be
A grade. Let us check if it is working for 50.
It will be C.
Let us take 80. Yeah, it got B grade. Hope you understand the multiple steps.
Yeah, I got it.
Let us do one more thing. So I'm asking it, if 40 greater than 40 to 60, I want C. If not, fail for F. Okay, let us check what happens. So let us give 30. Let's see what happens. It gives us fail. F. Understood?
Yeah, I got it. Yes.
So
if it is above 40.
In between if and else, we can take n number of conditions by using elif statement.
Okay. So, but if is only for if and else only. Yeah, got it.
Manam if elif use cheyalante, for sure we should use if and else, correct?
Yeah, first we need to start.
First step is with if.
Yeah.
Let us check. I am cutting it all off. Okay. Let us check what it prints.
It won't print anything because there is nothing.
It won't print. No, yes, correct.
Yeah. Now I got it. Yes, it's good.
Yeah. You understand this conditional statements?
I understood.
Yes. Keep on practicing with multiple statements, then you will get an idea. I'll give you a few homework things also for your practice purpose.
Sure. Thanks.
Let us go for this loops concept. As we discussed earlier, it goes through each and every item automatically. Once we return the condition, it will